Start with education. Before investing in the stock market, it is important to educate yourself about the stock market, how it works, and the different investment options available. Read books, online articles, and seek advice from financial experts. Define your investment goals. Define what you hope to achieve with your investment, such as long-term wealth creation, regular income, or short-term gains. This will help you choose the right investment options. Open a brokerage account. Choose a reputable brokerage firm and open an account. This will allow you to buy and sell stocks. Create a diversified portfolio. Invest in a variety of stocks from different industries and sectors to reduce your risk. It's also important to consider the size of the company, as well as the stability and growth potential. Regularly monitor your portfolio, keep track of the performance of your investments and make adjustments as needed. This may involve selling losing stocks and buying stocks that are performing well. Stay patient. The stock market can be volatile in the short term, but over the long term, it has historically generated returns. It's important to stay patient and not panic during short-term market downturns. Seek professional advice. Consider seeking the advice of a financial advisor or professional to help you make informed investment decisions. It's also important to remember that investing in the stock market carries a level of risk and there is no guarantee of returns. It's important to only invest money that you can afford to lose and to understand the risks involved.